it's lunchtime, friends, and as for today, I'm running super late and I decided to pick out all my leftovers from the refrigerator, and I have no idea what it's going to turn out. I prepared one avocado, and I don't like avocados when they get all brown, so I prefer to put them in a soup. So this is a full big avocado. Then I have one cucumber, small one, already cut in pieces. One bunch of coriander, and you can see it doesn't look so pretty anymore, so it's better to go inside the soup. And we add about a cup of cherry tomatoes, so they're nice and sweet. Half a stalk of celery. 3 ice cubes and a big spoon of tahini, sesame, and chlorella, vitamin B12. So this is recently one of my favorites to add to make it look more pretty, green and more appetizing to your eyes. And this is a mix of hemp seed powder, protein powder, and hemp seeds. Goes in there. And then take a little bit more salt today because this is quite bland. So, and if you like, add some coriander powder. And let's just see, I have no idea what is going to turn out. Let's just roll this machine. Uh-oh. That isn't funny, and that's certainly not meant to be in the video, but the lid of the processor fell inside. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it in the video just to see everyone. Watch out. Make sure when you're using the thingy here to take out the lid. Okay, so since my videos are all really made from scratch and not staged, unfortunately that little mistake will be visible, but I don't care. Okay, let's get to results. So cooking for busy people means accidents happen. Okay, let's see. Rosie line? Would you like to try? Okay, let's get Rosie to taste, because her face doesn't lie. And don't pretend, you don't need to pretend in front of the camera. So let me know, is this delicious? Come here. Come here.
Thank you.
So people can see you. Yucky?
Very delicious.
Not yucky?
Not at all.
I'm a bit disappointed by the color, but I guess.
It's very delicious.
Yeah?
Nice.
Okay, can I have a
savory.
spoon, please? Okay, let me just quickly taste myself, because Rosie loves everything. Rosie loves trying our food when my mom is here. She loves trying my mom's food. Okay, I am honest. What's the sweet thing in here? Are these the tomatoes?
Tomato sauce. The cherry tomatoes.
I love it, but I think I would put a couple of more ice cubes in here. Okay, let's put some more ice cubes. Let's do this. Anyway, by now you can switch off the video. We're gonna do a few more. Okay, 2 more ice cubes. And then let's see how it tastes. So this is really from scratch. Let's give it another buzz and have a taste. I seriously cannot believe I left that thing inside. It looks very messy. That's usually not us, but okay. Let's see. Okay, let's have another taste. Where's your spoon? This one?
That is yours.
Oh, that's mine. Okay. Oh, now you're making an absolute mess here, but never mind. Okay, let's take new blades, new everything. Have a quick taste. Okay. Okay, since I'm eating it anyway, I taste from here. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, everything. No, it's okay. I'm gonna put everything in mine. Okay, thank you very much. Have a really nice weekend, and I guess we see you later. Okay, bye.